Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Tailwind for faster affiliate graphic design, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Tailwind website. If you don't already have an account, create one by signing up using your email and a password. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard. Look for the Create New Design button and click on it. Choose the type of graphic you want to create, such as a pin or a post. Select a template that suits your affiliate marketing needs. Customize the template by adding your text, images, and branding elements. Use Tailwind's editing tools to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your style. Once satisfied with your design, save your work. Now, it's time to connect your affiliate links. Go to the section where you can add your links. Copy your affiliate link from your affiliate program's dashboard. Paste the link into the designated area in Tailwind. Double-check that the link is working properly. Next, schedule your graphic for posting on social media. Choose the platform where you want to share your design. Select the ideal time for the post to go live. Finalize your settings and confirm the schedule. You're now ready to begin promoting your affiliate products with visually appealing graphics. Keep monitoring your posts for engagement and adjust your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.